Good morning students and welcome for your maths lecture. Now students, in the previous lecture we have studied the two parts of the practice set. Today we are going to study the next part of the same practice test. Okay, so everybody should open their maths textbook, maths notebook and combined book number 1. So now let us proceed further. So students, in problem set 5 I have completed question number 1 and question number 2. Is that clear? Now let us study question number 3 and question number 4. So now this question is there in your combined book. So I will explain you all in the combined book. Okay, so everybody will open combined book now. Now students, in your combined book number 1, on page number 58, there is a summative assessment. In that, question number 1 is that write the place name and place value of each digit in the following numbers. So ये जो number है, this the number which is visible, this number you have to write its place name and place value. Now in your combined book only this much space is there. So in this space how you are supposed to write that I'll explain you all now. See students, so like this we will draw line. First this small column for digits, this place name, and this is for place value. So first I'll write here that is digits, place name, and then is place value. Okay, so your first number is 3. 3 is at which, so in digits first we'll write 3. 3 is at which place? It is at units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is at 10,000's place. So you'll write your place name, that is 10,000. Okay, then what is its value? 4 zeros. Is that clear? So the number digit is 3 digit is done. Okay, so after that students, you will draw like this line beside it. The next number, that is which? 5. So you will write here 5. Okay, now 5 is at which place? Thousands place. So you will write here 1000, and the value, that is 5 and 3 zeros. Is that clear? Then you will draw like this line beside it. The next number, that is 7, and you will write here 7. 7 is at which place? Hundreds place. So you will write here 100. Okay, and then the value, that is 7 and 700. Okay, then students, you will draw this line. The next number is 0, and you will write here 0. 0 is at which place? Tens place. So we will write here tens, and its value will be 0 only. 0 का value 0 ही रहेगा. Is that clear? So now like this we will draw a line. The last number is which? 5. Then you will write here 5. 5 is at which place? Units place. And the value of 5 is units place. The value is the same number as it is given. So is that clear? So in this way you are supposed to solve this first one. Is it clear everybody? Now let us proceed further to the second one. Now students, here second one is given 7,82,899. What is the number given? It is the number is given 7,82,899. Okay, clear? So first step is that first we will write the names. First you will write here digits. Okay, then is place name. Okay, and is place value. Is that clear? So now the first digit is 7. 7 is at which place? 7 is in lakhs group. So that is lakh. So we will write here 7 lakh. Place name and place value is 7 and how many zeros? 5 zeros. Why? 10,000, 1,000, hundred, tens and units. Is that clear? Okay, so then you will draw the line. Then the next number is 8. So you will write here 8. 8 is at which place? 10,000. So you will write here 10,000 and its value is 8, that 0, because 10,000's place you will write 8, then thousands place 0, comma, hundreds place 0, tens place 0 and units place also 0. Is that clear? Then here again you will draw the line. The next number is 2 and here you will write 2. 2 is at which place? Thousands place. You will write the spelling of 1000. Okay, and its value 2, hundreds place 0, tens place 0 and units place 0. Is that clear? Then you will draw this line. The next number is which? 8. So you will write here 8. 8 is at which place? Hundreds place. So you will write the spelling of 100. 100. That is in the place name, and place value is 8. Tens place 0, units place 0. It becomes 800. Is that clear? So 100 we have written. The next number is 9. So 9 you will write. 9 is at which place? It is at tens place. So 9 and tens place, what is the value? 1, 0. Clear? See, like this. And again the next number is 9. So here you will write 9. 9 is at which place? Units place, and its value is that number itself. So students, in this way you are supposed to solve the second one. Is that clear, everybody? Okay. Now students, your third one is 82,74,508. Okay, so first you will write your digits, then is place name, digits, place name, and then is place value. So here the first digit is 8. So here you will write 8. Now 8 is at which place? It's at 10 lakhs. Which place? 10 lakhs. And its value is what? 10 lakhs, 8 lakhs place 0, 10,000, 1,000, okay, 100, tens and units. Clear? Now here the next number is 2. So here we will write 2. 2 is at which place? It's at lakhs place. Okay, and its value 2, 10,000's place, thousands place, 100, tens, units. Clear? So its value with the 5 zeros. Now students, here the next number is 7. So you will write here 7. 7 is at which place? It's at 10,000. 10,000. So its value is 7 and 4 zeros. Okay. Now students, here the next number is 4. So we'll write here 4. It is at which place? Thousands place. So its value is 4 and 3 zeros. Clear, everybody? Now students, the next number is 5. So you will write here 5. 5 is at hundreds place. We will write here 100 and its value is 5 and 00. Clear? Now students, the next number is 0. So you will write here 0. It is at which place? Tens place, and its value will be 0. Because it's 0, so you will write its value as 0 only. Clear? Now students, the last number is 8. So you will write here 8. It is at which place? units place and its value will be 8 only. So is this clear, students? So in this way you are supposed to solve this third one. So 10 lakhs place the values of 6 zeros, lakhs place it is 5 zeros, 10,000s place it is 4 zeros, thousands place 3 zeros, hundreds place 2 zero, tens place 1 zero, and units place the number as it is. Is that clear? So students, these three questions जैसे मैंने combined book में सिखाया, जैसे मैंने इसमें सॉल्व किया है कंबाइंड बुक में, वैसे कि वैसे ही आपको मैथ्स के नोटबुक में भी सॉल्व करना है. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर ऑन पेज नंबर 59 द एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म ऑफ द नंबर इज गिवन, राइट द नंबर. आपको ये एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म दिया है. पहले हम लोगों को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म दिया था, हमने नंबर को एक्सपांड किया. अभी ये क्या है? एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म ऑलरेडी उन्होंने एक्सपांड करके दिया है, हमें उसका सिर्फ the standard form लिखना है, the only number. Now 6 and how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. So that is which place? 10,000s place. So first we will write here 6. Okay. Plus here 4 and how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. 3 zeros means thousands place. So then you will write here 64,000. Okay. Okay. Then is 6 and 2 zeros, that is 600s place. So here you will write 6. 1 0 means tens place, so here you will write 7, and 9, that is units place, so here you will write 9. Is that clear? So ये जो एक्सपांड किया है इसका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या है? 64,679. सेकेंड वन, 9 and how many zeros are there? 5 zeros, that is the lakhs place, so we will write here 9, comma. Okay, lakhs group is done. Then 4 zeros and 2, that is 10,000s place. So we'll write here 2. 3 zeros and 7, that is 7,000. So thousands place. Thousands group is done. Then is 800, that is hundreds place, 8 you will write. Then they have given directly 5, that is units place, tens place. Single zero वाला जैसे यहाँ पे single zero वाला नंबर दिया वैसे यहाँ पे नहीं है. So there you will, it is not given, so you will write there 0. वो place आप ऐसे डिलीट नहीं कर सकते, आपको वो प्लेस दिखा नहीं तो नंबर नहीं दिए, क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिए तो हम लोग उसको 0 लिखेंगे. एंड यूनिट्स प्लेस इज 5, सो हियर यू विल राइट 5. सो द नंबर इज 9,27,805. ओके. थर्ड वन, how many zeros? 6 zeros, so that is 10 lakhs place, so here you will write 2. Then is 5 zeros, that is lakhs place, so 3. So lakhs group is done, so we'll put comma. Then 4 zeros, that is of 10,000s place, that is 6. 3 zeros means thousands place, that is 9. So thousands group is done. Okay, 2 zeros means hundreds place, so that is 5. 1 0 tens place, so 1, and 7 as it is. Okay. So the number is 23,69,517. Clear? Fourth one. Fourth one is 5 zeros. So that is which? Lakhs place. Okay. So comma. 4 zeros, that is 10,000s place, 8. 3 zeros, that is thousands place. Thousands group is done. 500, that is hundreds place. तो अभी इसके आगे कुछ दिया ही नहीं है तो टेंस और यूनिट्स प्लेस आपको दिखा नहीं है ना, सो विल राइट देयर 0. सो द नंबर इज 7,84,500. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट 6 zeros, that is 10 lakhs place, so 8 you will write. Then 50,000, that is 6 zeros के बाद directly 4 zeros, so 5 zeros वाला नंबर है ही नहीं, that is lakhs place, so it's missing, so we'll write here 0, comma. That is 4 zeros, that is 5, 10,000s place. 3 zeros, 1, that is thousands place. Okay, hundreds place it is 6. Again tens place is not given, single zero नहीं दिए तो हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? 0, and units place 9. So the number is 80,51,609. Is that clear? So in this way you are supposed to solve this क्वेश्चन, दैट इज द एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म ऑफ द नंबर इज गिवन, राइट द नंबर. ऐसे ही आपको नोटबुक में सॉल्व करना है. तो आपका आज का होमवर्क क्या है? आपको ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सॉल्व करना है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हम लोगों ने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में सीखा था. अभी आज हम लोगों ने सीखा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 and 4. So these two questions I have explained. So these two questions you are supposed to solve it in your combined book as well as in your maths notebook, and this is your homework for today. Is that clear everybody? Okay, so with this I'll end today's lecture. Thank you.